Okay, the last drawing to do was the plan view. And this one should go much bigger. So I'm going to give myself about 4 inches between views, maybe 3.5, and put a mark right there. I've reclamped it, so now I have a flat edge down here that I can work off of. So, take this, run a light line going across. Light line going across. I'm going to come up 5/8 of an inch because this one is going to have the top on it, and put a second line going across. Alright. Find the center line again. So I'm going to go up to here. That's 13 between. Put a mark at 6.5. And I'm just going to transfer that down. That's my center line. Come out 9 inches because that's the tabletop. And make a mark. Grab my square and set this in. Here and here. So I've pretty much drawn my top in. Next, I'm going to work off my leg post. The nice thing about this is these marks can all just be transferred down. Outside of the leg post, outside of the leg post. Inside of the leg post, come over, drop this one down. Not as dark as it does have a taper in it. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Bring it down. Measure down 5, it's where my taper begins. Make a mark, and make a mark. Now we're not overly concerned about the taper angle, so I'm just going to use my combination square and give it just the look of a taper starting out, and I'm fine with that. Put it on the point and bring it down. Over to here, on the point. Oops, gotta flip it. On the point and bring it down. Alright, and darken in what I have so far so I can take a photo for you guys to see where I'm at. Okay, now I want to add in the blades. So I'm going to come down 4.5, make a mark, come up 5/8. Set my divider to make sure everything matches. There's there, and come down from here. Upper blade and lower blade. So here's the upper blade going in. Make sure you start at the 4.5 inch mark. Not at the taper. I'm going to extend these lines long and light though, because they do have that double tusk tenon. Come up to my 5/8 mark, Make sure I'm on it a little long. Do that one in, darken this part in. Alright. Now I'm going to transfer down the kicker. Just going to bring that up to here. Move it down. This is going to be hidden line. Same thing on this side. Down, 3/16 down, 3/16 up. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in that tenon. Now we've also got tenons in here that we want to transfer down from the top. So I'm just going to line up with the existing tenons I have up here, run a light line, both sides. I'm just registering off the tenon that is already there. And I'm going to come to the inside and repeat that process. So, this starts a 1/2 inch down and then goes for 3.5 inches. The next thing I want to add is the dovetails. Now the dovetails come down. Remember we shouldered them for the sake of making it easier to register. So I'm going to come down 7/16 and make a mark. And I'm going to lightly run a line over here and over here, other side. Everything we're doing to one side, we do to the other. Now, once again, I'm going to come up to the top, catch the end of my dovetail, and transfer that down to here. And it's going to be, once again, a hidden line. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the lower shoulder in as well. Hidden line. And now we need to add that double tusk. So we ran these lines out. Tenon is 1 inch long. So I'm going to put a mark at 1 inch. Alright. This little line. Same thing on this side. Now we want to come around that tenon. Gonna make a little mark. Come up, bring it across. Now I'm going to go ahead and make some of that hidden. And that's pretty much all that's involved in doing the front view of this.